Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO X7. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it and tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. On an Android, click on all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and then point your POCO's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and tap on the Receive button to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!